Many people worldwide are turning to digital financial services, and one name that comes up in Brazil is Neon. This leads to a fundamental question for many potential users: is Neon actually a licensed bank? Neon is not a bank in the traditional sense. It is a financial technology company, or fintech, that operates primarily as an institution of payment authorized by the Central Bank of Brazil. This distinction is crucial in understanding their operations and regulatory status. Historically, the original Neon startup partnered with a small traditional bank, Banco Neon S.A., to offer certain banking services. However, that bank was liquidated by Brazil's central bank due to regulatory violations back in 2018. The fintech company, Neon Pagamentos S.A., survived and quickly established a new strategic partnership with a major financial group to continue and grow its services. In 2022, Neon took a significant step toward vertical integration. It announced the acquisition of a finance company, Biork, which, upon approval from the central bank, would give Neon a different type of license, allowing it to offer an expanded range of services directly. This move shows its desire to control more of its operations. So, when you use Neon, you are using a highly regulated fintech platform that provides a digital account, debit and credit cards, and investment products like CDBs. Your money is held in a safe, segregated manner and is subject to Brazilian financial regulations, often including protection from the Credit Guarantee Fund, FGC, for certain investments. While not a traditional bank with a full charter, Neon is a legitimate, authorized financial entity in Brazil.